Are you struggling to find the time and motivation to write consistently? Feeling frustrated by a lack of progress with your writing output? Don't worry, in this video, I'll be sharing 6 productivity tips to help you establish a rock-solid writing routine, overcome distractions, and finally say goodbye to writer's block. If you're new here, my name is Jesse, and I've worked as a copywriter for the last 18 years. During that time, I've tried so many different productivity tools, tips, and software to help me become a faster writer. These 6 are the ones that have helped me the most to meet client deadlines and regularly publish my own blog posts and videos. Writing tip number 1 is to eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone on silent mode, and use website blockers to avoid temptations like social media during your writing sessions. Because if you're anything like me and find yourself watching YouTube videos when you really should be writing, then apps like Self-Control can help you stay focused for a period of time by blocking those distractions. I get so much writing done on planes because there's no Wi-Fi internet to distract me. For the same reason I used to write from the library a few days a week because again, they had no internet and it allowed me to just stay focused on writing. Tip number 2, create a writing routine. If you don't have a writing routine, don't worry, creating one is actually fairly easy. All you need to do is to decide on a couple of things, which is when, where, and for how long do you plan on writing. Once you've done that, once you've made that decision, set it as a reoccurring reminder or event in your phone calendar. For example, you may decide to schedule 10 minutes of writing every Monday at your local coffee shop or even in a spare bedroom at home. By sticking to a routine, you'll train your brain to be in the writing mindset and to make it a regular part of your life. Tip number 3 is find a suitable writing space. Finding the right writing space is key to staying productive. You want to look for a quiet environment with minimal distractions or interruptions. Personally, I enjoy writing in libraries, co-working spaces, or even from my kitchen table at home. You want to find a space that suits your preferences and allows you to fully focus on your writing and to give it all of your attention while you're writing. Tip number 4 is what will you write? Now, when it comes to your writing session, you don't want to be sitting there for 30 minutes wondering what you should write about. So what should you write? Well, it really depends on your writing goals. For example, if you're a beginner copywriter wanting to improve your writing, you may choose a product, any product really, and then write a blog post or a sales email or even a landing page that promotes that product. Or let's say you're a fiction writer writing a book. You may want to spend your writing session fleshing out all the different characters in your story and how they relate to each other. Tip number 5, embrace imperfection. Are you struggling with perfection when it comes to your writing? If so, here's a powerful tip to help you overcome it. Give yourself permission to write a crappy first draft. That's right, sit down at your desk and declare, I'm gonna write the worst draft possible. By setting the bar incredibly low, you remove the pressure of perfectionism and allow yourself to write freely. So instead of setting lofty goals that often lead to disappointment or prevent you from even getting started, start small. Begin with just the goal of writing for 5 minutes, or better yet, just write 1 sentence. It breaks that initial resistance to write by just getting started. Writing tip number 6, take regular breaks. Unfortunately, we're not robots and we can't work non-stop. Even professional boxers need to take breaks in between rounds. Avoid burnout and increase productivity by allowing yourself to take regular breaks. Step away from your writing space, stretch, go for a walk, make a cup of tea or coffee, or just call a friend. Remember, breaks are essential for recharging your creativity and keeping your writing sessions productive. Now, as a thank you for watching this video all the way until the end, I have a free guide that I'd like to gift you. It's called How to Become a Freelance Writer. And in this guide, you'll discover proven steps to kickstart your freelance writing career. To get your hands on this valuable resource, simply click on the first pinned comment below this video to get access. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.